I have a mission. Some Billy Bob doo-doo butt said that I couldn't review every single product on the planet because that's impossible. And to that I say, hi, it's me, Bree. Welcome back to my channel where we review every single product on the entire planet. Today, our product is boom, the Maybelline Superstay Vynil in Awestruck. This is currently on my lippy lips. Are we freaking obsessed with this? First of all, what is this? And why is the formula? How? I need answers and I need help. Please help. Help! I don't have time for this. It is a long wear liquid lip color. It is $12.99 on the Maybelline website. There are shades, a lot of them. 16-hour wear. This defies smudging and transfer and provides shine finish. Shake before applying on clean, dry lips. It is silicone based. How to apply. Shake for at least 5 seconds before applying. Apply as you normally would to clean, dry lips and let fully dry. The end. Benefits. It's not gonna smudge. I'm leaving. I get it. I get it now. And I love. If you can hear, there's something in there that's shaking. It's not in the lid. It's in there. Okay, so something is shaking up the formula in there. And you just shake her up and you apply. I basically take the wand. I'm gonna remove a little bit of the excess and I start on the bottom and I do a few swoops on the bottom. Now with any matte formula that's not, this isn't really matte, this is literally a vinyl. Any formula that is going to dry down like this and have no transfer, are you kidding me? You're gonna wanna kind of keep your lips a little separated while applying so that you don't mess up and make it too bunchy around the corners of your lips while you're applying, because that definitely can happen. Nothing. Amazing. You're gonna wanna apply with your mouth open, like that, and then you're gonna kinda like fan it. And when the ancestors open the gates of heaven and you can see the clouds and you can see the ascending people come from below, you're gonna lick your lips. I don't know what it does. It's literally magic. It's like literally a drag tip. It just seals it in. I can't explain why it works, how it works. Lick your lips. Lick it. And it's gonna be flawless. Sometimes when I don't lick my lips, it becomes a little bit sticky. It can maybe like cause a little pilling and bunch up just a touch, but the formula is elite. This is definitely basic Bree approved. I love her. I love you. I will do many other reviews for this encyclopedia of product reviews. I won't be swatching all colors. I will just be doing one at a time. So what color should I do from the Vynil collection next? Let me know in the comment. I need product suggestions. I need small businesses. I need your faves. I need things that you hate. I need it all. We need to explore the world of makeup together. I cannot wait till the next video and I cannot wait to see you there. Basic Bree out. Jail.